For this example, we have on an architect's blueprint, 1 inch corresponds to 4 feet. Find the length of a wall represented by a line that is 3 7/8 inches long on the blueprint. Okay, so this is a proportion problem, right? We're comparing the size of things on the plans versus the size they are in the world. So let's set up a ratio of, let's say, blueprint, blueprint to the world, or the real world out there. Okay, so we'll do a proportion like this. We'll go blueprint to world. It gives us a base comparison of 1 inch to 4 feet. And then it asks us to do a wall. So the base comparison tells us that 1 inch on the blueprint corresponds to 4 feet in the world. Okay, well now this wall has 3 7/8 inches on the blueprint, and it's asking how long is this in the world? How long is the actual wall? Okay, well now we have a proportion. When we set two ratios equal to each other, that's a proportion. We solve proportions by cross multiplying up. Alright, so that gives us 1 times x is x equals 4 times 3 7/8. Well, you don't want to work with mixed numbers unless you absolutely have to, and we don't have to. Let's convert this to an improper fraction. Okay, so 4 times 3 times 8 is 24, plus 7 is 31/8. Okay, and now we can cancel the 4 with the 8, leaving a 2, so this is 31/2. Okay, so this answer is mathematically correct, but you wouldn't ever want to, you don't really talk of it this way when you're talking about distances of things out in the world, right? If you're running a building company or something like that, you can't tell them I want this wall to be 31/2, feet long, right? So this isn't a good way to represent your answer if you're doing a distance. If it was just pure maths, this would be fine. So let's see, we can convert this a couple ways. If we divide it out, we either get 15.5 feet, so that would be okay, or 15 1/2 foot. That would be okay. But you really probably wouldn't want to leave it as 31/2.